Alright guys, so as you see, I got it apart. I knocked some of this grime and dirt out, and there's some broken pieces. I don't know exactly what that's from. Oh yeah, you guys see all that shit coming out. Oh yeah, this thing was cooked. These are all like the clutches. Get this out. That's just a wire that doesn't. Okay. So yeah, this thing I'm pretty sure was cooked. This could be the only issue. And then that, or just like it was super dirty, you know, so it's not going to get enough connection, and that could be what caused it to go bad as well. Alright, and I'm gonna get this. It is currently Thursday or Friday morning. I'm gonna get this part on, I should get it by Monday. So hopefully Monday you guys should get the rest of this video, or part 2 of the new starter install.
Now for the week.
Thanks for watching guys. Drop a like for the second part. Keep it easy.